Hi, this is Eric the Parts Doctor, and today we're going to show you how to replace the outer door panel on your Whirlpool dishwasher. These instructions also apply to other Whirlpool Corporation dishwasher brands including KitchenAid, Maytag, Jenn Air, Amana, and more. If you need to purchase a new outer door panel for your Whirlpool dishwasher, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. The dishwasher's outer door panel provides a protective and aesthetic cover for the front of the dishwasher, as it also helps contain noise generated during operation. If the outer door panel becomes damaged or dented, it can affect the dishwasher's appearance. Since we will be working on the dishwasher's electrical components, disconnect power to the dishwasher. Note this repair can be completed with the dishwasher installed. To begin, open the dishwasher's door. Using a T15 torque bit, remove these 10 screws from around the perimeter of the door, holding the front panel in place. Then, while supporting the panel, close the door without engaging the latch. Gently tilt the panel forward and disconnect the electrical connector by depressing the locking tab. Then, lift the front panel up and away from the arm hinges and set it on a soft surface to prevent scratching. Now, gently remove the door insulation from the door panel without ripping or tearing. Then, while supporting the control panel as it overhangs an edge, gently press down on the forward plastic retaining tabs using a flat-headed screwdriver to separate it from the door panel. If you need to purchase a new outer door panel, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you are searching with the model number from the tag on your dishwasher to make sure you are getting the correct part. To install, align the 4 retaining tabs on the control panel to the slots on the outer door panel and push into place. Then, gently lift up on the control panel to ensure the locking tabs are secure. Align the door insulation to the outer panel and work it into the door. Now align the hangers on the panel to the arm hinges on the door and gently slide the panel into place. Then reconnect the electrical connector. Now align the screw holes on the panel to the screw holes on the door, being sure that the locking mechanism seats beneath the panel. Start by installing the 2 top corner screws, bearing in mind that the 4 larger screws belong on the top row. Then, while supporting the panel, reinstall the remaining screws. And that's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.